क्लियर होगा कि नहीं कहबो देखिए. Good morning. I expect all will participate today. Be present during live session. After class, it may or may not available in net. So you all should participate the class as it is a live session. You all should participate actively. Sometimes students are coming, saying good morning and leaving the place, moving here and there. No, you sit constantly, work out the problems. When you're getting more time, work out to more problems. Don't confine in particular problem. Always I'm giving scope to solve more and more problems. Solving problem is important, not only to attend the class. Try to understand mindfully. Same thing is repeated again and again. By chance, you have not followed in the first explanation. Wait, I will repeat the same concept again and again so that you will follow it. That chapter determinant almost completed. Today I will discuss from first exercise to the last exercise and revise the portion from each session, from each article. I will give one problem. Also, I will discuss. Now, your number is very poor. After telling several times, the number of participants is only 12 now. At this moment, number of participants is 12. Some are saying good morning and leaving the place. I am keeping the record. Then I have to contact your parents. We are taking tension here. We are taking pain and teaching you. It is for your benefit. 12th class will never come again. This is the most important year for your life, for your future. You will carry this certificate lifelong. During lockdown, we are arranging such things. You don't know what are the problems we are facing. I expect you all should attend the classes, whatever may be your problem. Request your parents, make them availability of telephone, mobile phone, or laptop. You request your senior students. I will not tell more about it. This thing I can say, this class is the most important class in your life. 12th class will never come. This vacation, these holidays, this lockdown period is for you. This is the best time for your self practice. We people are here to clarify all your doubts. Follow me, listen this thing, and do accordingly. Now, I'll proceed to the beginning. Those are having doubts. Those are doubts. They can write in the live chat. I will do such problems. Now, I will discuss important problems of each and every exercise of determinants. First, you see, first exercise of determinant, first exercise, that is your exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. In 4.1, question number 4 and question number 7, 8. These three questions are very, very important. Once again, I'm telling 4, 7 and 8. Exercise 4.1, question number 4, 7 and 8. It may or may not be visible, but you will listen what I'm telling. Note down. Exercise 4.1, question number 7, 4, 7 and 8. From this, you see, I am explaining question number 4 again. Some of you have already attended this class. Question already discussed once. Again, I am repeating. So listen it again and again. Whatever may be the number of times. Suppose you know the answer. Till then, you listen. Here, question number 4. A is given. A, you see your book. 100, sorry, 101, 101, 012, 004. You see, it is a matrix, not a determinant. It is a matrix of order 3. First of all, you calculate the value of this. Value of this. It is required to calculate 27 times of a determinant value of A. If A is given, then determinant value of A means you calculate determinant value of A, expand along C1. Expand along C1. So that answer is -1 to the power 1 plus 1. Leave this row and this column. Remaining is leaving first row and first column 1, 2, 0, 4. Hence the result is -1 to the power 2 is plus 1, 1. And this result is 4 into 1, it is 4, minus 0. Your answer is 4. Determinant value of A is 4. As A is given here, now you write 3A. 3A. If A is given this one, then 3A is 1 became 3 here. 0 into 3, 0. Multiply 3. Multiplying 3 here, it became 3. 3 into 2, it became 6. Multiplying 3 here, this 4 became 12. Now this is your 3A. Then calculate. Now you are getting determinant value is A is 4. Now calculate determinant value of 3A. Determinant value of 3A means determinant value of this. Again expand along C1. Expand along C1 means column number 1. It is coming now -1 to the power 1 plus 1. Leave first row and first column. Remaining 3, 6, 0, 12. Now calculate -1 to the power 2, it is 1. Expand this determinant. 12 into 3, it is 36. Minus 0 into 6, it is 0. Other two terms are zeros. Why? Second element is 0, third element is also 0. When expanding along C1, column 1, now you calculate this result. Calculate this result. Your result is coming now 36. Check. Determinant value of 3A is 36. And the result there is. Check whether you are getting or not getting. If not getting, some problem is there, some mistake is there. Try to find the mistake. Where you have done the mistake. 27 into determinant value of A should come. Where is your problem? Not coming. It should be 36. 27 into 8 should be there. So somewhere mistake is coming. You check where is your problem. Now tell whether it is visible or not visible. I think visibility is very less, but give emphasis to understand. How can you understand the problem? You have already written, you have done. How many of you have written done? Very few. Prayas, Om Prakash, Samika, Swadhin, Samriddhi. You all have written, you have done. Vishwaranjan also, you have written visible. Sometimes it is visible, sometimes it is not visible clearly. Give emphasis to audibility, whether I am audible or not. I think it is visible. See, the second condition for question number 7. For question number 7, I want to tell one thing. Two matrices are equal. Two matrices are equal if their order is same and the corresponding elements are same. But two determinants are same if their values are equal. Two determinants are same if their values are same. In question number 7, you see second bit. Question number 7, second bit. Question number 7, second bit. It is 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand side, it is a determinant equal to x 3, 2x 3, 2x 5. It is the second bit. Now solve. Left hand side, 5 into 2, it is 10, minus 4 into 3, it is 12, equal to 5 into x, it is 5x, 2x into 3, it is 6, minus 6x. Now the result here is minus 2 equal to minus x. So your result is 2 equal to x. Don't equate the elements. Don't equate the elements. Here you see 2x. Here, if you put 2, same. You put 2, same. Determinants are equal. But don't use that concept. The corresponding elements are equal. We have find the value of this, equating the two values, then you get x. Now you do 7 second bit, a first bit, and question number 8 also. Now I will proceed to second exercise. 4.2. In 4.2, you may have doubts. Proceed to exercise 4.2 and you tell your doubts. I will discuss. Those are having doubts. Tell what is your doubt. Now I want to know, some students are not here. Pruthvi present, Varsha present, Indira present. Then some names are not available. Vishwaranjan also present. Samruddhi present. Next is Aid present. Okay. Now I'm calling some of names. Bikram Rath present or not? Bikram. If you're present, you write your name, whether present or not present. Acha, Pradeep present. Bikram, Devadatta, Srichandan. The names I am calling, I think they are not available here. Amrita, not available, I think. Here, Devi Prasad is coming. Then Purabi, available. Purabi, Swarupa present here. Prayas present. Okay. Sashwat, Pratik, Subhranshu, I am not observing you. I want answer from you, Subhranshu. If any doubt from exercise 4.2, now you do question number 7 question number 7, question number 11 first bit, and question number 14. These three problems. I am giving now three questions. I will take the attendance. Why some students are neglecting the classes? This time will never come back. When we are teaching, be present at the time of teaching. Exercise 4.2, 4.2, question numbers 7, question number 11 first bit, and question 14. Now you do these problems. I will discuss these problems now. You try first. Question number 7, 11 first bit, and next is 14. These are the questions required now. Exercise 4.2, question number 7, 11 first bit, and 14. Work out these three problems now. I will discuss as I have not discussed these problems during teaching. Now I'll discuss. Check. If not feasible, you listen. Question number 7, question number 11 first bit, and question number 14. You work out now. Yes, question number 7 completed. Most of you are doing now. Question number 14 is doubt. I will discuss. Okay. Question number 14, I will discuss now. You do question number 7 and 11 first bit. Give emphasis to calculation and the basic concepts. Here I am giving more emphasis to basic concepts followed by discussion. Side by side, you do problems of exemplar mathematics. This is your textbook. Along with textbook, work out the problems from exemplar mathematics and examples of your reference books. Suppose you are using A.D. Sharma book or R.S. Agral's book, all in one book, all other recommended books. You choose one, not required to do so many books. Select one of the reference book, work out all the examples first. And one problem book or sample paper, maybe exam idea, together with all in ones and chapter wise solution published by Arihant. That book you can purchase, you can arrange and solve. You can arrange chapter wise solution by Arihant. You see whether the book is available or not. If not available when lockdown over, you will collect the book from second hand bookstore. That is a very good book which contain most of the important questions. Now you all have written. Not okay. Question number 14 I will discuss now. You do question number 7. Most of you have done question number 7. Now I am proceeding directly to 11 first bit. Pruthvi, 11 first bit. Question number 11 first bit. I have written here. It is not visible. 11 first bit. Due to light reflection, sometimes it is not visible. Question number 11 first bit. Question number 14 and question number 7. I think 7 you have already done. Now you do 11 first bit. I will discuss 14. Now I am writing question number 14. I will discuss this question. I will discuss 14. A square plus 1 AB AC. Then AB B square plus 1 BC, CA, CB, C square plus 1. You have to prove this result is 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. You may see whether visible or not visible. No problem. You see your book. Give emphasis to the operations. I will write your operations. First, you take common A along row 1. Take common A along row 1. Take common B along row 2. Take common C along row 3. Now your determinant became, if you take A, B, C common. If A taken common here, it became, now if you take A common, it became A plus 1 by A. It became B, it became C. Okay. Second row you see, if you take a B common, it is coming now B taken common, remaining is A. Here it is B plus 1 by B. Out of BC, if B taken common, remaining is C. Then third row, along third row, take C common. Take C common along third row. Remaining is here A, here it is B. If we take C common, it becomes C plus 1 by C. I have taken A common along row 1, B common along row 2, C common along row 3. Then we are getting this step. Next step, just to change, multiply A along row 1, multiply B along C2, multiply C along C3, multiply A along C1, column number 1, multiply B throughout column 2, multiply C along column number 3. Now our equation became, our step became, our determinant became, if you multiply A again here, column wise, write down column wise, column 1, A into A, it is A square plus 1. This became A square. This became A square. Along C2, along column 2, multiply B. This became B square. B square plus 1, again B square. Along column C, multiply C. Sorry, along columns 3, multiply C. If we multiply C here, it is C square plus 1. Now you observe what will you do so that something common along a row or along a column. The next step is replace column 1 by column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. If you add all the 3 columns and write along column 1, then you will get all the terms are common. I am writing now here that one. Next step, you replace C1. Replace C1 by C1 plus C2 plus C3. Write down column wise. If you add all the 3 terms, it becomes A square plus 1 plus B square plus C square. I mean 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Here, again you add these 3, A square plus B square plus 1 plus C square. Again you are getting the same result here. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Add elements here along the third row. If you add a square plus b square plus c square plus 1, again we are getting same 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Then other two columns no change. No change. So it is b square plus 1, then b square plus b square, then c square plus 1. Okay, after getting same thing here, you can take common 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square taken common along c1. You will take common along c1. You will take common this thing, then the result is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common along c1. The remaining is here 1 1 1 b square plus 1, then b square. Here is c square plus 1. This is our step. Now you observe c1 column number 1 1 1 1. All elements are 1. So in this case, your usual operations are replace row 2 by row 2 minus row 1 and replace row 3 by row 3 minus row 1. As C1 contain 1 1 1, apply these two operations in the same step. Not all three. Row 2 replaced by row 2 minus row 1. Row 3 replaced by row 3 minus row 1. Then we'll get a 0 here and 0 here. Along C1, you'll get 1 0 0. Then expand along C1. If you expand along C1, you'll get your required answer. After doing this, you do this thing in the next step. Then next step is expand along C1. You will get your required result. Very good. Now, what we'll do? Row 2 is replaced by row 2 minus row 1. Row 3 replaced by row 3 minus row 1. Then you will observe C1 contain the elements 1 0 0. 1 0 0. Expand. Then you expand along C1. You will get your required result. These are the steps to solve question number 14. I think now you are able to solve. Quick. Now proceed to the next exercise. 4.3. Exercise 4.3. You proceed to exercise 4.3. Suppose here I have given 3. Sorry, question number 7. The next question 11. Question number 14. Suppose you have completed these problems. Don't waste your time. Work out some more problems from the same exercise. Now exercise 3.2 is over. Proceed to 3.3. Sorry, 4.3. 4.2 over 4.3. Problems related to area of a triangle, collinearity of 3 points, and equation of a line. Again, I will tell the concept. Then you will do the problems. Exercise 4.3, page number 120 to 123. Again, I'm telling the concept slightly, then I'll discuss the problems. Basic concepts required for 4.3. Exercise 4.3. For exercise 4.3, first concept required is area of a triangle. Suppose it is a triangle A x1 y1 B x2 y2 C x3 y3. Three vertices of triangle ABC x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Then area of triangle is area of triangle. It is 1 by 2 x1 y1 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. This is a formula to calculate area of a triangle. First concept, half x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. Then second concept, if area of a triangle with 3 points 0, then the 3 points are collinear. Condition for collinearity. Condition for collinearity. 3 points are said to be collinear if area of triangle is 0. So condition for collinearity, that is x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. If this result is equal to 0, then that implies the 3 points are collinear. 3 points are collinear. This is the condition for collinearity of 3 points. The points are x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. If 3 points are collinear, then the value of this determinant x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 equal to 0. This is the condition that the 3 points are collinear. Then the third concept, your third concept is equation of a line in 2-point form. When 2 points on a line given, if 2 points lie on a line, suppose it is a line, 2 points are given, suppose one point here P, it is x1 y1, another point is Q, its coordinate is x2 y2. Then you take any point on the line is x y z, any point on the line is x y. Suppose any point here you can take x y. Now calculate area of a triangle passing through these 3 points. As 3 points lie on the same line, area of the triangle is 0. I mean your condition is x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1. Here in the place of x3 you take x, in the place of y3 you write y, equate this result to 0. This is your equation of the line. Here I am writing, this is the condition that equation of this line, equation of the line passing through 2 points, passing through 2 points. One point is x1 y1 and other point is x2 y2. If a line is passing through 2 points x1 y1 x2 y2, then this is your equation. Equate this determinant to 0, you will get equation of the line. These are the three concepts in this exercise. Now question for you from this exercise 4.3. Now you try to solve some problems. Question number 1, second bit. Question number 3, second bit. Question number 4, second bit. Exercise 4.3. Question number 1, second bit. Question number 2, sorry, question number 2, no, question number 3, second bit, and question number 4, second bit. All the 3 second bits, 1, 3, 4. Repeat it. You have already done the problems. Already you have done the problem. Now you repeat it so that it will be revised. Question number 1, find area of the triangle. When you are finding area of triangle, write square unit. Value of determinant may be positive, may be negative. When you are writing area, write positive value with square unit. Positive value with square unit. Area is always expressed with positive value and square unit. You must follow it. Most of you are writing now. Okay, sir. Very good. Work out. Work out quickly so that entire chapter will be revised. Now, I will try to revise entire chapter quickly. These are the questions. 4 point. All are easy problems, so I will not discuss. I will not do. You repeat it. You revise it quickly. 1 first second bit, 3 first second bit, 4 second bit. If a student is not attending the previous classes, he or she can solve the problems now. As I'm repeating all the basic concepts again. As basic concepts are repeated again and again, if missing previous classes, till then you can solve the problems. Now the basic concepts required for the exercise 4.4. In 4.4, the concepts are also very simple. That is minor and cofactors of the elements of a determinant. Minor and cofactors of elements of a determinant. Completed all the 3. Very good. Most of you have written completed. How many of you have written? Divi Prasad, Prayas, Rudra, Subhranshu, Samikya, Vishwaranjan, Indira, Prithi, Kaustubh, Samruddhi, then Snuti Rekha, Om Prakash, Sai Jyoti, Swadhin. You all have written. You have done the problems. Okay, proceed. Finish quickly. Sai Jyoti completed. Yes. Samikya also. Prayas also completed. Varsha completed. Okay. Be attached with me during class as it is a live session. You all should present and cooperate. Then you will get benefit at the end of the year. I expect you all should get above 90% in your 12th board. During this lockdown period, you are getting sufficient time for practice of the problems. Use your reference books. Now you can overnight, sit overnight or daytime, work out more and more problem. Practice is very, very essential for mathematics. I expect you all will get above 90%. If you work out throughout the year, you must get a good result at the end of the year. Okay, completed. Now proceeding the basic concepts again, minor and cofactors. I'm repeating, so listen it. Don't feel boring. I'm repeating the concept. Suppose here A11, A12, A21, A22. It is a determinant given. Determinant of order 2. Then minor of A11. Minor of A11. We are writing the symbolic form capital M11. This minor is obtained. Delete this row and this column. I will delete first row and first column. 1 means row number and column number. Delete first row, delete first column. Write the remaining. Here remaining is only A22. So your answer is A22. Similarly, minor of A12. A12 means this element. Element at first row, second column. Remove first row, remove second column. You will get minor of element present at a 1, 2. This answer is, if you leave first row and second column, your answer is A21. This is the minor of this one. In the same way, minor of A21 is A12 and minor of A22, it will be A11. It is for second order determinant. If we proceed to the third order determinant, how can you calculate minor? You see now. For third order determinant, A11, A12, here A13, A22, A21, 22, A23. At the third row, A31, A32, A33. See now, this one. If this is your determinant A, then find the minor and cofactors of elements. For minor, we are writing AM, IJ. For cofactors, we are writing capital A, IJ. AM, IJ stand for minor, cofactor AIJ. AIJ stand for cofactor. Just to attach -1 to the power I plus J, AMIJ, you will get cofactor AIJ. Cofactor AIJ means cofactor of the element small aij, that is capital Aij, it is a -1 to the power I plus j whole into minor mij. This is a relationship between cofactor and minor. Now I will calculate first minor of one element and cofactor of that element. See now, minor and cofactor of the elements. See carefully. Minor of A, suppose 2, 1 I have taken. 2, 1. I have taken here 2, 1. Minor of the element A21. Here is A21. Minor means we will leave this row, second row, and leave first column. Leaving first column, leaving second row, the remaining is A12, A13, A32, A33. This is your minor of A21, AM21. AM21 stand for minor of A21, and that is A12, A13, A32, A33. Deleting second row and first column of the given determinant. In that way, you will calculate minor. Then cofactor A21. A21 is cofactor. Capital A21 stands for cofactor of A21. That cofactor is -1 to the power 2 plus 1. -1 to the power I plus j. M ij. You can write this thing same as -1 to the power 2 plus 1, leaving here 2 and 1 given second row, first column, 2, 1. Remove second row, remove first column, remaining element which is written here, that is A12, A13, A32, A33. This is your way how to calculate cofactors. If you understand one problem, you can solve thousands of problems. When I'm explaining the basic concept, listen mindfully. Sit in your room silently. If required, you can close your fan, sit silently, and work out. Now the time is already 46 minutes. Already 46 minutes covered. Till then, I will take another 5 minutes and I will close it. Then I will come back to WhatsApp. Immediately, you will follow the WhatsApp messages. See now, this one, minor completed, cofactor completed. I want to tell one important property related to cofactor and minor, particularly cofactors. If you multiply elements of one row with the corresponding cofactors of the same row, that sum is the value of the determinant. So this determinant value is obtained in this way: A11, then capital A11. Capital A11 stands for cofactor, plus A12, capital A12, plus A13, capital A13. It will give you the value of the determinant. If you multiply elements of one row, suppose A12, A11, A21. Elements of first row with second, cofactors of second row. A12, A22 plus A13, capital A23. This result is always 0. This result is always 0. Elements of first row multiplied with the corresponding elements of cofactors of second row. Cofactors of second row. Suppose I'm writing A11, A31 plus A12, A32 plus A13, A33. This result is also 0. When you are multiplying elements of one row with the corresponding elements, so the corresponding cofactors of another row, the sum of the result is always 0. It is also applicable along a column. Applicable along a column. If you multiply elements of one column or one row multiplied with corresponding cofactor of the same row or same column, sum is the value of the determinant. That's the way you are expanding the determinant. Now, today you work out, revise all the problems up to exercise 4.4. 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 and 4.4 work out again in your. Those have been not done in homework copy. You must work out in your homework copy. Maintain your index neat and clean. Copy must be neat and clean. Complete all this in your homework copy. Next period, I will discuss 4.5 onwards. 4.5 and 4.5 onwards, I will repeat these things once already done. When I'm repeating, you must attend the classes. Okay, now I'm closing the class. It's already time 11:59. Your time is now 12. Thank you all. I think you all are listening. You must follow me. Thank you all for your patience and follow my instructions. Do the problems again and again. Do the problems from your reference books and your sample papers and mathematics, NCERT, mathematics exemplar. Side by side, you complete this chapter. Chapter 4, the problems, your NCERT book up to 4.4. Next period, I will again discuss 4.5 onwards. Any doubt you will write, I will clarify your doubts. Thank you all.